Our world is in a constant battle with pollution, and which brings us to the point where we all are surrounded by polluted air. So, as a solution, we present to you the road mill depolluter. By combining two concepts of different streams of science, we have created this masterpiece. So, let's get into the mechanism.
The mechanism of road mill is heavily inspired by the normal conventional windmills, but what differentiates it is that it stands on a vertical axis. The conventional windmill stands on a horizontal axis. Now, what's the benefit, you may ask? The conventional horizontal axis windmills are restricted to work in areas such as coastal regions, deserted regions, and high altitude regions. These are the regions that allow streamlined flow of air. But on the roads, the airflow is not streamlined. It is turbulent. Cars passing by hither and thither do not create a streamlined airflow. We need a mechanism to sustain that and utilize this flow of energy. And it is this system. It has a structural upper hand because it has curvature in its flaps, which tracks the air and utilizes it to form electrical energy. Road mill has the potential to fabricate electrical energy using the wind energy created by the roadside traffic, which till date goes unused. This windmill model is working on mere muscular force and is producing about 3 to 4 volts. So imagine the amount of energy produced by this beast when its fullest potential would be explored on the commercial basis. On an average, 1 minute of movement would provide us with 10 volts of electricity, and we can place 1 unit per every minute. This implies that a 15-kilometer long highway would have the space for 15,000 units, and 15,000 units would give us 150,000 volts. That is, 15 kilometers would provide us with 150 kilovolts of electricity. This amount of electricity is so huge that it can be used to set up street lights on local highways, even set up charging points for electronic vehicles. Moreover, the amount being so huge can be used to supply power to a rural area or a nearby village. But the main application we propose is the
It can be used to purify smoke by condensing them using the system of electrodes. Smoke particles are suspended in air as they are charged. These particles keep repelling each other and remain suspended in air against the gravity. We can use the system of electrodes by charging them, and the smoke particles will attract the electrodes. The negatively charged electrode will attract the positively charged particles and vice versa. This process is called electrophoresis. By bringing an opposite charge near the particles, these particles will coagulate. In short, coagulation of colloidal particles with the help of electricity is known as electrophoresis. You may see these particles go around these plates and then settle down. On practical basis, these electrodes will be surrounded by a wire chamber for safety purposes. The smoke in the surrounding will enter this chamber through these holes and then get coagulated. The remaining smoke will follow the principle of diffusion and move from higher concentration level to lower concentration level. These are the electrodes, the coagulated particles, and this is both the wire.
So this was a brief explanation of our project, Road Mill Depolluter.